Welcome to my channel. There are several different types of COSRX Snail Mucin 92% repair cream, each with its own features, advantages, and costs. Please read my description if you are interested in learning more about the price and other details. Let's watch the video without further ado. Long-lasting hydration, infused with 92% of snail mucin, also called Snail Secretion Filtrate. This cream builds a moisture barrier to plump, hydrate, and soothe skin. This everyday multi-solution cream glides onto the skin and revives skin radiance. Supercharged Repairing Moisturizer, a lightweight, gel-type cream repairs and soothes irritated, sensitized skin after breakouts like rosacea. This cream moisturizer is powered by snail mucin, hyaluronic acid, and betaine to strengthen the skin barrier by replenishing moisture. Key ingredient: Snail Secretion Filtrate contains mucin, an effective ingredient for enhanced moisturization. It instantly soothes damaged skin and delivers moisture deep into your skin. Perfect for dehydrated and damaged skin. No snails are harmed. Snail mucin is obtained in a safe and environmentally friendly way in a favorite environment of snails and then processed as a cosmetic material. 100% natural, hypoallergenic, dermatologist tested. COSRX standards: all COSRX products are formulated with skin-friendly ingredients that alleviate irritated skin. Hypoallergenic, dermatologist tested, animal testing free, parabens free, sulfates free, phthalates free. Check out the description to find the product link. Thank you for watching this video.